What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Bombcrypto, and if you've forgotten about Bombcrypto, which most of you probably haven't, Bombcrypto is like an idle game as of right now, and that you can earn a lot of Bcoin by investing. And when I made a video back before, it was like around $250 for 10 heroes. Now it's higher because the token price is $4 as of right now, which means it's going to be $400. And I've done some things. Before I opened like 10 heroes, and that was like just me opening 10 heroes, and I opened another 10 heroes. And I got all commons except for one rare, so I was like, my luck was just garbage, getting 19 commons and one rare in one account. And obviously I have it's a little upsetting, but it's fine. I really haven't lost that much, really. I'm now in my profit zone because RY is it's still pretty quick for having only commons. And I want to show you that if I go to my first ever account, now I have a second account, by the way, which makes more Bcoin because I actually got lucky, and I'll show you why and how. Here you can see that this is my first account with 15 commons and one rare, which is straight garbage. But it works. It's doing its job. You can see here in like about since last 5 days, I've gathered around 15 Bcoin, which is it's not bad. It's just really slow passive income, which does the job though, so I'm not complaining. This is still pretty good. And then I have my second account here. If I click heroes, you can see that I got pretty lucky. I opened 10 heroes and I got a super rare and a rare, and the rest is commons. And then I got another 5, and those were also commons. Now since then, I learned a mistake here that I've done, is that I made a new account too early. Now this is a video about the tips in Bombcrypto, and I learned that I made the account too early. I made the second account too early, but at least, I got a super rare and stuff out of it. But what you're supposed to do is you would go, let's say you're here, and you can see that I have this many bad heroes. Now this is not good. Obviously it's not going to do anything really. It's going to make you the money, but it's not the right strategy. And honestly, the best strategy I've seen yet is, or I guess figured, is now the houses are basically gone. If you're able to buy these houses, you're gonna need a lot of money, like 5,400 times freaking 4. That's like more than 20 something thousand dollars, $21,000 or $22,000. And I highly doubt any of you can afford that because it is a high price. But you could have gone like this one, which was 720 at the price of 2, which was like around $1,040. I mean $1,440. And now that like they're sold out, you can't really get them. So it must be a bummer. Now if you could get this, you're gonna be making a bunch of money. It's a crazy investment. But what I was talking about here is what you should do is, if you have these garbage commons and you have like barely any good heroes, basically what I would recommend you guys doing is unboxing more heroes on the same account instead of making a second account. Now it might sound dumb, but it is the proper choice. You're gonna need a way more extra Bcoin, but it pays off in the end. What you would do is you'd buy more. If let's say you get lucky, you get a super rare, epic, whatever, and you have these spare commons or whatever, just put on those rare, super rares and everything, activate them, and those deactivated ones, go and use that to upgrade your your high class heroes. So that's basically what you're supposed to do. And if you do that, you'll start making your account really good at gaining ROI. It's better than making a second account, unless you make a second account and get lucky. Then sure, that works too. But that's the best way you can do it. Once you've made a good enough progress to where you have, let's say, like 2 super rares or like 5 rares on one account to 10 rares, or like 3 super rares and like a rare, I recommend making the second account because with the second account you can reinvest the money or Bcoin you've made from the first account into the second account, and just like that you can keep doing the same thing for the second account, reinvesting until you get the good heroes. And by that time you should be making a bunch of Bcoin. Now I made this mistake, so don't do the same mistake as me, though it has brought a good outcome. As you can see, 18 Bcoin, which is, you know, pretty good. Now, if I go to the Bombcrypto simulator, here you can see that there are some helpful tips on here. And if you check right here, this is how you would check like how much you make a day, or how much you'd make, you know, max profit. How long does it take to break a chest with one certain hero? And you can see the health of the chest. So this is my first account. Now there's a problem where it's saying like super rare and whatever, but this is my first account. It should be making a max of 7.99 Bcoin. And average profit of like 5.99 Bcoin, and then minimum profit of 3.99 Bcoin. And that's pretty good. This is all per day. I could go around 11 maps per day, it says. And then if I check my second account right here, second account can make about 8.83 max profit, which is pretty good. 6.6 average profit, and minimum profit being 4.4 for the Bcoin. This is with the super rare and the rest commons, which is the good one. And honestly, there's not much of a big difference in earnings here. It's really minimum because these two accounts are really similar in like overall statistics. And basically that's how you would increase your profits, I guess, or play more strategic and get a better. And then marketplace is also coming this December. They announced that it's gonna come this December. They made some new server changes. And lastly, if you go to Bombcrypto simulator again, they have some profit strategies that I highly recommend you check. One of them being hero priority, which you use like 5 of your best heroes at the start of a map, and then once they get tired you go use the rest of your other heroes. And then after that's done, you can again substitute your 5 best heroes, and then while those others are sleeping. And then there's a 30% profit strategy, an increase, where you can do hero rotation, but that is going to take a lot of your time and you should do more research on that. So tell me, what do you think about Bombcrypto so far? As you can see, if I were to play right now, activate my heroes, I don't do any of those strategies because they are time consuming, so unfortunately I'm not doing them, although you can do them, guys, if you would like to. As you can see, my super rare is really quick because it is a super rare. Super rares have more speed, and even higher rarity also have more speed. So if you have like a super legend, you know, you're gonna be making some really good money off of just one super legend. I've heard that they can make like 6 Bcoin by themselves per day, or even higher to like 12 Bcoin, which is already absurd because that beats my accounts. And yeah, tell me if you have actually got one of those heroes. It'll be cool to know. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment one for the next video and what you can recommend, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.